The time has came for me to take this car apart. We're gonna get rid of the grill, take that out of the way, maybe take out the headlight, get the bumper ready for takeoff. Just necessary stuff that we'll need to do in order to take everything off and start repairing it. So here it goes. So I just realized in order for me to take the grill off, took the screws out. It's actually from the inside of the bumper, so I have to take the whole entire bumper off first, and then I'll be able to take the grill off. So I'll go ahead and do this. I just want to show you guys. I guess under this cover, this is where all the main impact happened, right here, which is not bad. I mean, you can see there's pieces broken everywhere, but not bad at all. So we'll go ahead, I'll put some ramps up for me to get underneath the car and go from there. Bumper is off. It's not bad. There's some hidden damage that I didn't expect, but nothing that cannot be fixed. There's some little plastics over here, and this charging unit right here broke off its tabs, so that's gonna get replaced. The main goal is right now is that this reinforcement support is not damaged, so I'm pretty happy about that. Looks like everything is in the right place. Also got the radiators right behind it. No damage there. And we're just gonna have to deal with this headlight. It has one little bent slash cracked tab over here, which I will get repaired, and we will go from there. So next would be the headlight. So as you guys can see, headlight is off, bumper is off. Pretty easy stuff. Just really happy there is no frame damage of any sort or anything like that. It's just pretty much a simple thing as disconnect, unscrew the bolts, take it out, and it's just simple thing as repairing this tab over here. Just needs to go up over here and get soldered in, and that will be done. Everything else is in good, excellent condition, works. So I'm pretty excited about this. Stay tuned. Alright, so the time is here. I did took off the bumper, so now it would be taking everything out from the bumper to get it to the stage where I could take all these little pieces, pretty much all these little squares, headlight washers, bumper sensors, they all have to come off. This grill is garbage, gotta come off anyways, so I could all get it painted separately for the best quality that I could get it at. So it's pretty simple. Look at this. When the accident happened, somebody attached all this with the little self-tapping screws. So I'm gonna get rid of that so I can take this little logo off This seems to be good, working condition. All these little buttons are good, so I'm gonna have to take all that off and go from there. Alright guys, about 15 minutes of struggle. Finally got the grill out. This is the old crappy one that had all the screws around here, self-tapping. So this piece corner broken off, so somebody did a number on this junk. Anyways, speaking of that, my new grill is here. As you can see, no self-tapping screws, everything is OEM factory, how it's supposed to be. So all I have to do to this is just transfer that right there. My logo, I'm gonna transfer it over here, connect it, and it's all gonna be in a working order. As you can see, all the corners are here. Everything is in really good condition. I bought it used, but there's absolutely nothing broken with it. And as far as this goes, bumper is in really good condition, so I still have to take out those grills, all the sensors. Also the sensors, there's one right there and one right there. I'm gonna have to take them off and replace them to the new grill and go on from there. There's the back view. Should be pretty easy, it's just all clips. At this point there's even no bolts or anything like that. And as I was taking this apart, FedEx truck arrived and I got this baby delivered today. Remember when I told you guys somebody stole my radio? Well, it's here. So once I'm done with the bumper, I'll videotape this. And we're gonna go ahead and put that in and see if the screen pops out and if everything is working correctly. So after another, I would say about 30 minutes of tinkering around, all the parts are off. I'm gonna leave, the only thing that's left in the back is the connected sensors, so those I will leave so I don't lose them. Let us sit there till I bring my back bumper. I need to do the same thing to my back bumper, take it a piece, take it apart, and once they're both done for paint, I'm gonna take off the sensors so that they could get painted separately. And here's all the pieces. That's the bottom piece, the bottom grill, and two of the right and left grills. So that is all done. Now let's go and set up the radio and see how everything works. So I just went ahead and plugged in the radio that showed up. Now is the moment of truth. Well, I already checked it. my screen is working. Everything is working except this information comes out, some sort of protection, because it's type of like if somebody's gonna steal your radio, they cannot connect it. Has to be VIN paired to this car, and since I took it off from a different used car, I did call a mechanic. It's about $120, and he's gonna pair that radio to this car and everything will start working, because as of right now, as you can see, the screen works. Screen works, but there's no sound when you're trying to play the music. See, I'm scrolling, nothing happens. So that's the only thing that doesn't work. Even my navigation, even the navigation works, so which is great. I'll just end up paying $120 extra, and everything else will be working just fine. I'm just really happy that the screen is really good, not damaged, so that's a good thing. Sounds good. Stay in touch. My rear bumper has arrived, and here it is. That's the front bumper. That is all ready for paint. Now it's time for us to disassemble this one. Check this out, guys. I bought it fully complete, used, good condition, not a single broken tab or anything like that. Comes with the sensors, comes with the diffuser, the reflectors on both sides. And the best part about it, it comes with all the insides. As you can see, it has two computers, self-parking on both of the sides, all the connectors, sensors, everything good. So I'm gonna disassemble that, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I could take this to paint tomorrow. It's probably gonna take about 1 week to get it done, but I'm pretty excited. I did fit it in a car. Looks beautiful, and we'll go from there. This is definitely not a front bumper, where it literally took me, there's so many little bits and pieces that it took me like 45 minutes to disassemble. Unlike the front one, this one took me like 5 minutes to disassemble maybe. So that's all it is it got the diffuser right here, two reflectors, and the whole skeleton frame body that attaches to the body of the car itself, with the two computers on each side. And all there is left is the little sensors in the bumper. I'm gonna take those out, that way they can get painted separately, not within the bumper, so it can go all the way around and stuff like that. So far so good.